Hello guys and welcome to Roblox. I'm about to play Tornado Alley 2. Yeah, this is my first time recording games and stuff, because you remember me, Adrian, was able to make them lame videos, and yeah, when I was younger, in 7th grade, when I was 12. Now I'm 14. Yeah, let's do it. I took your girl. I took your girl. Okay. Looking good so far. Boy. Oh, snap. What was that? I'm scared. What? Oh, click to go into map. Let's go. Let's do this, y'all. Oh, heck no, bro. They got me messed up with this music, bro. Mommy! Oh, shoot, bro. Hope you won't die. I'm good, y'all. I'm good. No, airport. The map is airport. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, loading map. Excuse lag. Welcome to Tornado Alley 2, developed by One Billy Bob 1. Okay, bro, the music though. It sounds like some, what do you call it? Remember that movie, y'all? Halloween Before Christmas, something like that. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Possum stores, no. Broken bones list, no broken bones, okay. Getting good so far, but I don't see nothing good going on here, so I'm just about to stand out here and see something happen. Tornadoes, my. Hey, bro, pull over. No, you idiot, bro. What else? You fag boy. Fuck boy. Ow. Idiot. Get out the car, you idiot. Man died in. And your mama got AIDS. What is possible? Partly cloudy weather. Yeah, true. Hey, it's full. Oh, this car uncontrollable. Or I just can't drive. No, the car uncontrollable. I know I can drive. Shoot. Look, I'm driving. I'm doing it. Y'all. I'm doing it. Clouds are forming all over the west side of Robloxia. What kind of city name is that? I ain't lame. I'm awesome. What the fuck? You tripping, car? Oh, okay. I see how it is. Alright. Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, bro, there's lava raising from the sky, bro. Oh, no. Wait, no, that's just a sunrise. Damn, I'm an idiot. Huh? Warning, tornado possible. Get to the shelter immediately. Man, I didn't feel like going in the freaking building in the first place. Tornado siren goes off. Shoot, man. Is there a way I can turn off this music? Because, this is getting annoying. Options. Mute music. I'm clicking on it. Muting is currently disabled. We'll be back soon. What? Oh, snap. Oh, no! Dang, bro, they got crashed, bro. Bro. They got crashed, bro. Oh, snap. Tornado took them down. They ain't getting me. Look at him running. Better go, guess. Oh. Okay. Oh, snap. Shoot. Y'all got any broken bones? Broken bone list. None. Okay, I'm lucky good then. Last time I played this game and I had broken bones, I was crawling. Don't want that happening again. Shit. No. It's gonna come through. Oh, shoot. I'm hiding under here, bro. This is my best bet. They grimy, bro. They sent that tornado after me and stuff, bro. They grimy, bro. Oh, man, forget that. I'm on the map. Ain't stopping me. Yeah, guys, but if you can, please subscribe to me. And any games you want me to play on Roblox or any other games I could probably play or download, any other games, I try my best. Roblox games, yeah, I'm all on these Roblox games, you know. And you tell me about them, I'll play them. Just say, hey, Adrian, in the comments or something. Can you play a game on Roblox and, you know, upload it, you know. But yeah. Bro, get back, buddy, cheating, bro. Oh, yes, and I thought you little ugly little bastard, boy. You can't get me, you long spinning thing. You great. Where are you? Oh, that's a. What the? What? Oh, it disappeared. Oh yeah, sunshine. But look at this place, bro. It's ruined. And how did I die if I was hiding under something? A tornado just not finna fly through something and kill me. Sadly, oh, for real, who those who need the help. Farewell for those who need the round over, prepared for the next round. That booty, nigga. All players that survive 20 points VIP gets 40 over VIP gets 60. Resetting game. What? Oh, forgot. And if you want to, you can add me as friend on Facebook. My name is Adrian Woods, ADREIANWOODS. Again, ADREIANWOODS. What's up, little niggers? Ow! They cheating. Watch this, bro. Squad, bro. What? Island. No, highway. Ah, shit. Fuck me. Killed it, boy. What's up? Ooh. Oh. Fuck you then, ho. Little dick suck. Sorry for my language, guys. You little ding-a-ling. Bro, why y'all push me off, you little idiots? You freaking illegal immigrants. No offense to the illegal immigrants, though. I'm not trying to be racist or nothing. I'm talking about the game. I'm not talking about nobody in real life. I'm disrespectful, but I'm not that disrespectful. I mean, come on, guys. One Billy Bob, Billy Bob. Oh. Is this the highway? Is this the highway? Is this the highway? Never mind, it is. Hey, you guys! Ooh, what? Bro, I did not spell guys like that, bro. Watch out, bro, because I swear, I come through the screen and crack your look. See, I was about to get in the cop car, right? But then that's going to make me look like an op. So, like, I changed my mind. Hey, bro, hop about that car. Bro. Bro, I paid for that car, bro. I paid $50 for it, bro. That little cheap ass, you can keep it, bro. It's cheap anyway. A cheap ass car, nigga. Only $50, nigga. Damn. Oh, ugly motherfucker. There are many tornadoes forming all over. We suggest stay indoors while we look over the radars. What? You supposed to look over the radars, then tell us to go indoors. Not we go indoors while you check the radars. What if some of us have something to do? What if my wife was? What if I had a wife and she was pregnant, and I had to go see my baby be born, and y'all told me to go indoors, and I had to go. So I thought, little shit ass. I want my mom. Okay. I'm going in here, bro. Nobody saw me. Oh, bro, there's a whole party up in here, bro. It's the purple McDonald's, bro. Oh, snap. Wait, no. I changed my mind. Party up in here, bro. This is my house, bro. Get the hell out of my house. This is not your house. Get out. Fuck shelter. I don't need shelter. Forget shelter. I don't need shelter. I'm an OG. You don't want to mess with me. I keep it low. Keep my boss stay all cold. You already know. You better get with my flow or I'll take your hoe. Let's go. Like I'm scared of a little small ass tornado. Ooh. Like I'm scared of a small tornado. Look at it over there for a minute. Hey. Oh. Okay. It's bigger than the other one. Where's the tornado from? Oh, where's it at? Where's the tornado? Bro, stop playing with me, bro. It's invisible, bro. Bro. Oh, right there. That's a fast one, too. Man, he got that gravity, that fast coil stuff, man. The news. Bro, what's wrong with this dude's face, bro? It's like he drunk too much coffee, fell asleep, woke up, and he was shocked. Like news caught stealing from Robloxian bank. They gay. They so gay for that. All right, y'all. I'm be out.